Hello guys, I am Abhi here. I am represent my research on biomass power plants under guidance of Mr. Jignesh Patel. Mm, In this presentation, we understood that what is biomass, type of biomass power plants, components of biomass power plant, working layout, advantages, disadvantages, etc. Next is introduction. Biomass power plants are facilities that generate electricity or heat by burning organic matter such as wood, agriculture waste, or municipal solid waste. They are important for making energy without using up things like oil or coal. Biomass plants can create jobs and help small communities where the plants are located. Next, what is biomass? Biomass is a renewable energy source derived from organic matter such as plants, trees, agriculture waste. It can be used as a fuel to generate electricity, heat through thermal, chemical, or biological process. Uh, some example of biomass you can see in this picture. There are many examples of sources of biomass like municipal solid waste, industrial residues, animal residues, agriculture crop and residues, sewage, etc. Biomass can also be converted into biofuel such as ethanol and biodiesel. Next, what is biomass power plant? A biomass power plant is a type of renewable energy power generation facility that converts organic matter into electricity using thermal, chemical, or biological process. Uh, First step is the fuel preparation. Biomass fuel such as wood chips or agriculture residues is proceed to remove impurities and ensure uniform size, optimizing combustion efficiency. Second step is the conversion process. Biomass fuel is burned in the boiler to produce high pressure steam. The steam is then directed onto turbine blades, causing the turbine to spin. Third point is turbine or combustion engine. In most of biomass power plants, a steam turbine is used to convert the steam energy into mechanical energy. In this mechanical energy derives a generator producing electricity. Next is electricity generation. Um, A generator converts the mechanical energy from the turbine or combustion engine into electric energy. This electricity is then transmitted to grid for distribution to our homes, businesses, etc. Next is type of biomass power plant. First is direct fire. In direct fire biomass power plant, the biomass is burned directly in combustion chamber, produced to steam, and this steam produces electricity. Next is precipitation. In gasification biomass power plant, the biomass is converted into gas through a process to high temperature heating. We will close this gas in the combustion engine and burn it to generate electricity. Next is anaerobic digestion. In the anaerobic digestion biomass power plant, the biomass is broken down through process of anaerobic digestion to produce biogas, and this biogas produce electricity. Pyrolysis. In pyrolysis biomass power plant, the biomass is heated in the absence of oxygen to produce a synthetic gas. This synthetic gas go in combustion engine and burn to generate electricity. Now, component of biomass: fuel handling system, boiler, steam turbine, generator, condenser, emission control system, electrical substation. Next is working layout of direct fired biomass power plant. In direct fired biomass power plant, the biomass is burned directly in combustion chamber to produce steam, which is then used to generate electricity. Here the step-by-step explanation of the process: fuel preparation, combustion, boiler, steam turbine, electricity generation, cooling, and fuel recycling. This is the working layout of biomass power plant. First step is the fuel preparation for generating the electricity through direct fired biomass power plant is the fuel preparation. Biomass fuel is the process to remove uh, im- impurities and ensure uniform size, optimizing combustion efficiency. This is a feeder. You can see this part is called as a feeder. Use of this part is to transfer biomass fuel from to storage hopper to combustion chamber. The feeder has to maintain contents and control of fuel. Next is combustion. So biomass fuel, we have prepared biomass fuel is go in combustion chamber through this pipe and burn to release the heat energy. This is the combustion chamber where the biomass fuel is burned to generate the heat. It is designed to provide a high conditions for efficient combustion. This is the draft fan. Draft fan is responsible for creating and maintaining control a draft or airflow through a combustion system. It helps to regulate the combustion process by supplying the necessary amount of air for combustion, removing combustion gases from the system. Next, this is the boiler. The heat generated from the combustion of biomass is water in the boiler, creating high pressure steam. Next is economizer, and this is economizer part, and economizer is a heat exchange device used in a boiler to preheat the economic water using hot flue gases. High pressure steam derives steam turbine which rotates a generator and then it produces electricity. Electric this is a part of this whole part of electricity generator. The rotation of turbine generate electricity which transmit to electric grid for distribution of electricity to us. After passing through turbine, steam will considered back into the water using the cooling system. This is the part of cooling system. The steam condenser. This is steam condenser. Steam condenser cools the steam into water, and this is a water tank. Water tank store water, and this is a reactor uh, which removes dissolved gases. You can see here. This is a dust collector. Dust collector is used to capture dust from the combustion gases before they are released in the atmosphere. And the collector uses filter to trap dust particle, ensuring that only clean gases are emitted. Uh, This is a state. Uh, State is a vertical structure through which the clean combustion gases are discharged into the atmosphere. It is designed to ensure that the gas are released at the sufficient height uh, to disappear them effective and minimize their impact on the environment. Next is advantage. Biomass is a renewable energy source that can be replenished over time, making it a sustainable energy option. Biomass power plant can create jobs, stimulate local economies by providing employment opportunities in the biomass supply chain. Biomass power plants can help to manage organic waste such as agriculture residues, forestry waste, and municipal solid waste. Next is disadvantages. First point is high initial investment. Means the initial investment required to set up a biomass power plant is very high, which can be a barrier to entry for some organization. Second point is seasonal availability of biomass. The availability of biomass can be seasonal, leading to fluctuations in energy production. And the third point is a logistic. Transportation is the main problem. The transportation of biomass from the source to power plant can be a challenge, especially for the remote location. And last point is the environmental concern. In some regions, the use of biomass for energy production may be more complex, compared with food production, potentially leading to the food uh, security concerns. Next is the conclusion. Right? Conclusion. Biomass power plant provide a renewable and sustainable energy solution by utilizing organic material to generate electricity and heat. Despite challenges, they offer significant benefits, including reducing greenhouse gas emission and support for local economies. And these are conclusions. These all are expenses for this project. And thank you for giving me this opportunity to present my project presentation, biomass power plant. Thank you.